number one. Very good, very good. Hey, that young guy that's walking away, he's taping over there on the left side. If you sell those CDs, let those people know that they may become subject, the women anyway, to be pregnant from these powerful chickens. Put that warning label on your CD when you sell it, okay? We don't want to be blamed for something way long time ago. Also, Tommy Christian says he needs to see at least 10 non-native women from the ages of 45 to 53. We'll sneak some of the 30-year-olds in. You don't need to have a job, but we need you to come down here because he's got something to give you. So come down here. Their CDs. God. The late Joe Rivera's last CD, the family got him. Tommy said, we'll get him down there because if we say we have something free, every Indian in the building will be down here. You know how you are. All right, we're coming to Generations. Second song, Chicken Dance, Stand By, Family All Around. Hook guy, you're on the air.